Hello, everyone. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my vehicle here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, I have something amazing to share with you all. Now, a lot of you all might have heard of it so far, but I am one that has to do the due diligence, and I really have to make sure that I am paired up with like-minded people that really want to thrive and really want to roll up their sleeves and actually get to work and create the residual income that they say they want to. And believe it or not, a lot of people will say, hey, I want to make money, but they're not willing to roll up their sleeve. They're not willing to do the things that's needed in order for them to create the residual income that they're seeking. Okay, now we're talking about a residual income that can really blow your mind, and I'm not one to actually toot a horn and do all that hype or anything like that, but what I really want you to understand is that we are paired up with a company that gives you savings beyond measure. Not only that, we are paired up with a young man that's 8 figures in this industry. I have grown to know him. I've known Mac, oh my goodness, over 20 years, because we came together and we've met in a direct mail space. But just the same, he has created a system, and anybody knows anything about Mac systems, they are winners, they're converters, they're everything that you need in this industry to be successful. And guess what? Mac is giving the system for free. So I'm not going to be long-winded. I'm not going to keep this video long or anything like that. That's for the next video, because I'm going to be talking about this platform. I'm going to be giving you the details, the ins and outs of this particular opportunity. Why? Because anybody and everybody can do it. I don't care if you're 10 years old all the way up to 110 years old. You can actually share this. Why? Because it affects every single person in the world. It will allow you to be able to tap in, and it's not just for a select few. So definitely click the link below, find out what it is, number one, find out what you can actually do with this free system, and not only that, get the free system while it's free. Get it? How many times have someone given you a free marketing funnel for you to grow your business and be successful with a business that is going to help you be successful anyway, because it's in dire need of what everybody in this world needs. It gives the solution for what everybody needs in this world. Okay, so y'all know the rising cost of inflation. You know things are not slowing down. Things are going up. Why not let your income go up in a residual way to help you offset all of the things that you are seeing a drastic change in? So ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and click that link below, and in the next couple of videos we'll go deep diving into exactly what this opportunity is. But first of all, trust me when I tell you, you want to get your free account, and you want to get it now before it's no longer free. So click the link below and let's get started. Speak to you soon in the next video.